Good morning to all. This is Dr. Gurumurthy V, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to talk about accounting basics. So in this video, we are going to talk history of accounting, bookkeeping, accounting meaning, steps of accounting, accounting cycle, objectives of accounting, and advantages of accounting. History of accounting. It has an evident in 4th century in Arthashastram wrote by Kaudilya. After 14th century established certain procedures in accounting system by Italian merchant Luca Pacioli, who introduced a Dublin system at 1494. After 1494, we followed his procedures to writing accounting system. Till now there is no changes. So that's why he is called as father of accounts. So this is what history of accounting system. While evaluating evaluation of accounting system, in the traditionally they are making a bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is nothing but it is concerned with the recording of business transaction in systematic manner. Accounting. So after bookkeeping, the accounting system has been evaluated. That is, accounting in the terms refers, it is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpretation of business transaction in the significant manner and the terms of money value. Hence, the accounting system is not a certain process. It is accumulating the all the things like recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting the business transaction in the systematic or significant manner in the terms of money value. So while we are writing an accounts, all the things should be based on the money. So without money, we are not supposed to writing an accounts. So while you are taking a business transaction, that should be involved in the cash, that should be record, and that should be classified, and it should be summarized, and finally it should be interpreted in the certain procedures or certain formats. So this is what accounting. It's a very important term. Yes. Next, accounting cycle. So accounting cycle refers, it is a cycle which contains all the accounting process, starts from source of document and following the journal. That journal entry should be posted into ledger. That ledger should be summarized in trial balance. After trial balance, we can make an adjustment entries. Finally, we can prepare final accounts. So this is what accounting cycle. The accounting cycle, the word cycle refers, it should be in the circle form. It should not interpret in the any stages. Like, if suppose any mistake arises in the second stage or first stage, we are not supposed to run the cycle in the remaining stage. So it should be in the proper manner. If suppose any mistake arises in the, if suppose in the last stage, it should be in the reverse process. Then only we can rectify that error. Then we can run our cycle in the proper manner. So that's why it's called as accounting cycle. Next. This is steps in accounting process. As like accounting cycle, the first thing is to identify the transaction and recording the transaction in the journal, posting into ledger, adjust the trial balance, find out closing entries, preparation of financial statements or final accounts. After that, making an adjustment trial balance. If suppose there is any error, we can make adjusting the journal entries. So this is steps in accounting process as like accounting cycle. So while we have the proper accounting system, we should know what is the objectives of accounting system. The first thing is, if we are maintaining the proper accounting system, we are having a proper accounting records. So following that, if we are having a proper accounting record, we can get an or we can ascertain the true profit of the business. even loss. While having a true profit or loss, we can find out our correct financial positions, whether it is first, second, or third, or among 100, whatever it is. And finally, we can provide the information to the users. So those who are interested to know our business, we can provide our informations to them while we having the proper accounting systems. So these are all the objectives of accounting system. Here, advantages of accounting. So while we have a proper accounting system, that time we can enjoy the following advantages. Like the first thing is maintaining systematic records, and second, preparation of financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, such as, and assessment of progress. That means if we have a proper accounting system, we can assess our progress, like from previous to current year, or one company to another company, or one branch to another branch, likewise, and aid to decision making. So the accounting system will help to us to taking a major or managerial decision making, and it is also fulfill the status requirements. So wherever they need the accounting department or the accessing department, even the court needs, we can provide our accounting records. And next, information to interested groups. As I said in this objectives of accounting, so those who are interested or involved in our business, they can get information from us while we having a proper accounting system. And it is also big evident in courts, and it reduces some taxation problems, and also it helps to merge our firms while we having amalgamations and absorption of our firms. That time we can use our accounting system. So these are the advantages we can enjoy while we having a proper accounting system. Thank you. Thank you all.